Good morning everybody, it's StackSmart here again, and lot to get through this morning, so I'm going to crack straight on. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm up around 560 at the moment, so I'm looking to try and crack the 600 in the next few weeks. But if you just joined the channel, thank you for joining. We've got plenty of content for you, and last time we spoke I was talking to you a little bit about support and resistance lines and how significant they are, and I was also targeting 16.35 as the target. Now fascinating at the moment, the trading and the news has had a significant impact on gold and silver. We did get a little spike on the Japan news, as you can see here, that took us above the resistance channel, but it soon fell down to the target that I was talking about, 16.35, and it's also bounced off it twice. So I find it really interesting with these different limits that I'm analysing, and it was to do with the Fibonacci that I was targeting 16.35. But we've run that target now twice, and we've formed a little 4-hour double bottom on this. It's been heavily resisted. This level here at 16.3 has been the main resistance, this main support. I mean, important to get the terminology right. If at the bottom of the channel is the support line and at the top of the channel is the resistance line. Silver pushed through the resistance on the Japan news, but then it soon got bashed down again and further fell to 16.35, which is what I was chatting to you about being the main target. Now, interestingly enough, if you look at the one-day charts, we are forming this falling wedge now. So let me just draw it in for you. I've already got a mass of lines on this particular chart. So we are actually going to form a falling wedge on the daily chart. Now, the problem with daily charts is that they do take a while to rally out. When the falling wedge is off the day chart, they can take a while to move up again. So while we're in this trend downwards, it's difficult to see an end to it at the moment until there's some significant geopolitical news about currencies or whatever. So anything could cause a rally in the metals at the moment. There's a lot of uncertainty in the markets, and there's a lot of war mongering going on. Now we've formed this little double bottom, as you can see in here. You can see we've hit it there, we've hit it there. Oftentimes we'll hit it a few times like that, and we've not really formed anything significant in silver. There's potential for it to be a rising wedge, but we haven't really got anything certain in yet. Certainly it looks to me as if there's no strength to the upside at the moment. It's difficult to predict anything while the technicals are still working out from this massive move downwards. There's a lot of buying pressure down here at 16.3, and it's a great time, in my opinion, to buy stuff. The other thing I wanted to really focus on today is I'm starting to build a relationship with Atkinsons for this community. Now, I'm not talking about any commission payments that they're sending me, but I have had a chat to Paul Atkinson a couple of times about different things, and he is responding to what I'm asking him in what he's doing with their site. So last week I asked him if he could pull the lions into the mix and match, and he did reply to me on my lion video. Here at the bottom he's saying, I think it's Paul. Anyway, hi all, thanks to StackSmart for the mention again. Just to let you know, these are now part of the mix and match. Happy stacking, Atkinsons. So thank you so much, Atkinsons, for that, and that'll make buying much easier for us. And I've also asked Atkinsons to stock the Rwanda coins for the British community, so that we can get hold of them locally instead of having to get them from Germany. So stay tuned for that. They're saying that they're looking into it at the moment. Hopefully they'll get a decent deal from the German mint. I think it's Bayer Mint or something. So thank you, Atkinsons, for that. Like I say, I'm earning no commission or money from those deals and from the stuff I'm trying to add for the community. So if you're looking for anything from them, please let me know by direct message, and I'll see, you know, if it's something that I concur with. I'll see whether we can sort something out with them. But it's great that they're interested in what the stacking community is saying, and obviously a lot of people who are ringing in are saying that they've found the deals from the StackSmart channel, which is great. You know, I think if we can help each other out, the bullion dealers and the stackers, and get some decent deals together and ask them what we want, then that's good for everybody. That's a mutual, you know, beneficial area. So yeah, so thank you, Atkinsons, for that. Like I say, I'm seeing like a long-term falling wedge with a rally at some point. At the moment there's no sign that that's going to currently happen unless there's a black swan event. We're seeing a rising wedge. I think, in my opinion, we're going to see further downside at the moment. Yeah, have a look at the mix and match from Atkinsons with the Burundi Lions. It's nice to have that involved. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm working as a consultant at the moment, so I'm going to go to 2 days a week on the YouTubes, on a Tuesday and Thursday, hopefully, depending on time. So look out for my videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday. I'm hopefully going to post them up in the mornings on those days. And yeah, please like, subscribe and comment on the channel. Please share the video on Google Plus or whatever your platforms are. And please hit me up on Twitter, it's at StackSmart. Alright, thanks for now, StackSmart, and I shall speak to you on Tuesday. I'll get it right one of these days. Take care, bye for now.